Kalra School, Halol, Lesson number 2, Standard 9, History and Evolution of Computers. Introduction. The earliest known device for calculation is abacus, with 10 bits strung into the wires attached to a frame. The abacus used to perform simple calculations. In 1642, Blaise Pascal developed the first basic calculator, which would do only limited jobs. In 1690, Leibniz developed a machine that could perform addition, subtraction, multiplications, division, and calculate square roots. Charles Babbage in 1822 designed and built a model called difference engine. His invention could perform calculation without human intervention. After that, in 1833, Babbage designed a machine called analytic engine. The analytic engine had an arithmetic unit to perform calculation and mechanism to store result and instruction. Because of such contribution, Babbage is known as father of the modern computer. During late 1940, John von Neumann found a way to encode instruction in the language. 1946, J. Presper, Eckert, and John W. Mauchly invented Gained ENIAC machine at the University of Pennsylvania. Of the first machine used large number of vacuum tubes. The machinery required big space and lot of energy to keep it cool. It had punch card input and output. The instructions had to be fed into the machine by way of switches because there was no internal memory within the machine. Generation of computers based on hardware. Computers may be classified into a number of generations. The classification may be based on the hardware technology used in building computer based on its application software use. First generation computer 1945 to 55. The first generation of computers started with ENIAC. It was then followed by the IBM UNIVAC, first built by Mauchly and Eckert in 1951. This machine could perform business data processing. This computer used vacuum tubes. Because of vacuum tubes, the first generation computer were very large, required lot of energy, slow input output, and suffered with heat and problems. Second generation computer 1955 to 65. To overcome difficult phase in the first generation computers due to the use of vacuum tubes, transistors were used in the second generation computers. Transistors is a small component made of semiconductor material with transistor, the problem of heat was minimized and computer size was reduced. The computers now could perform operations comparatively faster. The strong capacity was also improved. Instead of working with machine language, now the machine could with higher level language such as ALGOL and FORTRAN. Third generation computers 1965 to 80. Third generation computer use integrated circuit instead of transistor. These circuits are fixed on silicon chip. A silicon chip consumes less than 1/8 of an inch square on which many electronic components like diodes, transistor, capacitor, etc. can be fixed as wired interconnections about the circuits. Components are minimized. These computers were smaller, faster, and more flexible input and output. These computers uh, satisfy need of a small business.